Do you want to list courses in a single beautiful catalog? Everyone, from freelance educators to schools, can attract more students with the Course Catalog WordPress plugin. Create course pages with rich text, video, images, and more to make your content more appealing. Show relevant locations as markers in a Google Maps with live maps. Add instructors, syllabus, requirements, periods, and ratings to each page. Use different catalog display modes and attract users' attention courses in various ways. Let users search by target audience, locations, required degree, or any classification you create. Use a clean user interface to create pages with options you need. Import and export content so that you can upload pages to other WordPress sites. The Course Catalog plugin for WordPress is a perfect LMS tool suitable for schools, training organizations, and anyone who wants to create and sell online courses with ease.